Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the Company Information tab inside System Settings. In this video, we will move to the General tab. To access this tab, from the System Settings screen, click on General from the left-hand side menu. The General tab contains important system-wide settings, such as agent login control, two-factor authentication, default currencies, date format, report style, and CC email settings. We start with Stop Agent Login. When this option is enabled, the system prevents all agents from logging in to the B2C Maxis portal. This can be useful if the company wants to temporarily block agent access to the portal for maintenance, updates, or internal review. Next, we have Use Two-Factor Authentication. When this option is enabled, system users will be required to enter a verification code after logging in. To explain this clearly, let us activate Use Two-Factor Authentication, then click Save. After that, we go to the Users screen and open Mr. John's account. Here, we can see the assigned email to Mr. John's account, as this is the email that the system will send the verification to. Now, if we move to Mr. John's account, log out, and log in again, the system will request a verification code. At the same time, the verification code will be sent to the email assigned in John's user profile. After copying the code from the email and entering it in the system will allow John to continue and access the system. Next to it, we have Two-Factor Authentication Days Age. This field defines the validation period of the verification code process. In other words, it tells the system after how many days it should request another verification code from the user. For example, if we set it to 2 days, the system will request a new verification code from the user every 2 days. Now we move to the currency settings. The first default currency represents the system's main currency, and it is set by the Maxis team when the system instance is created. This currency is also considered the general ledger currency. This means that all accounting vouchers must be posted using this currency. Any other currency used in the system will be treated as a foreign currency, and the system will handle it based on the foreign currency and exchange rate logic. In this example, the first default currency is JOD. Next, we have the second default currency. This defines the default currency that will be automatically used in quotations. For example, if the second default currency is set to USD, then new quotations will use USD by default unless changed inside the quotation itself. Next, we have the date format field. This controls how dates are displayed across the system. After that, we have default HTML report style. This field defines the default visual style applied to system-generated documents and HTML reports. For example, if we choose Style 1 Blue, the system will use this style as the default layout for generated reports and documents. Finally, we have CC email. If an email is assigned here, the system will automatically add this email in the CC field for all system-generated documents that are sent by email. This applies to all users, meaning that whenever any user sends a system-generated document by email, this CC email will be added automatically. After updating any of these settings, click Save to apply the changes. This completes the explanation of the General tab in System Settings. In the next video, we will continue with the Incoming Settings tab. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.